Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Copilot in Visual Studio Code. In a browser, you have to search at first VS Code. You have to have VS Code in your PC. So if you don't have installed VS Code, then just go for it. So you have to download it, download for Windows. Go to the GitHub, okay, and log in here. So let me log in, sign in. So guys, here you can see I have logged in my account, GitHub account, and I have downloaded the VS Code also. So guys, here you can see we have downloaded it. Now let's go for the installation. Just click here to install VS Code. Go for the next, and then next, and create a desktop icon. Okay, check it, and then go for the next and install it. Fine, now launch it. So click here, finish. Here we go. This is the interface and mark all done. So yeah, this is the interface. And if you want to add Copilot, click here. In the bottom here, you can see just click here and click here, set up Copilot. Now log in with GitHub. So click here and we have logged in GitHub, right? In our GitHub account. So we have to actually log in through this GitHub account. That's it. Then continue. Authorized Visual Studio Code, okay? Just select it. Fine. Here you can see now we have set up our Copilot, right? In PC. It will actually take some time, so I can see. So we just have to wait for some times. I can see now we have actually added Copilot. Now let's say I want to create a new file here. So I'll check it. I will click here new file, or maybe I can actually say here that I want to create a new file. So I will say new file, HTML, let's say, and I want to save it in the downloads. So save it, get it. So we have this, test.html. Here you can see. Now here I'm going to actually say Copilot that I need a login form and hit enter. Here you can see it's working. Now I will say allow, and here we go. We got this. Now if you want live preview, let's say, you have to actually add here an extension. Go to the extension and say here live preview. Here we go. Now click it, install, boom. Now you will find live preview here, you can see. So now click here, show preview, and here we go. You have a nice login form. So you don't need to actually write anything, right? Any code. We just have to give here a prompt and it will actually create, a login form for you. Anything, right? So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.